So we started off a testimony platform, uses AI to search for topics of interest throughout the legislature that would apply to the Department of Law Enforcement, use historical data and speaking tone from our director, and then tying that all together to draft testimony for our department to simplify the process and reduce the number of employees required during a session. So we've been I think to date, that's probably been our most successful project. Typically, across the state of Hawaii, you have 10 to 30 individuals in a department that are tracking bills, writing testimony, getting approvals, submitting testimony to the Capitol website, and then going to the Capitol to testify, speak to legislators. So in the 2025 session this year, we've actually been able to do about 5 total individuals involved in the process. But as far as tracking testimony, drafting testimony, I was able to do that myself with the, streamlining of workflow that we did and using the legislative AI application that we built. Still, we have a ways to go, but being that we were able to reduce, workload on our department significantly for one session, I'm excited about, how we can improve on future additions to that application. I would estimate a 90% maybe reduction in workforce required to complete day-to-day legislative tasks during session. So session is generally the third Wednesday in January to about the first week in May. And during that time, most employees have to do their regular job and then pitch in to help with the legislature. So being that we were able to reduce the number of employees necessary to complete the legislative task, it allowed a majority of our department to focus on protecting the community. Typically, what I found in the vendor selection process is that there's no amount of dollar savings that can replace trust in an organization, and I think Cloudwick continues to deliver time and time again on all of our use cases. So it's definitely a partnership that we're going to continue.